Hey everybody, just a quick teaser video. Got the old girl moved out of her spot. It wasn't easy, but there's another video coming shortly that'll show you all that process. Meanwhile, it is a nice day out, but apparently it is mating season for the Alabama humpback mosquito, which is currently eating me alive and trying to tote me off. So with that being said, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm tired of being eat up today, and I don't have any off to spray on me, so that's just it. Longer video coming later showing you everything that I did, or well, tried to do today. Stick around on my two dads tribute truck.